आई वॉज अर्निंग गुड, आई हैड हेल्प एट माई हाउस एंड बाहर से ऐसा लग रहा था कि आई हैड द परफेक्ट लाइफ. बट फ्रॉम विद इन आई न्यू दैट आई वॉजंट able to breathe. I was suffocating. So here's what actually happened. Hi, I'm Neha. Hi, I'm Neha. I have been working in IT industry from last 10 years and now I am starting a fresh start into content creation by quitting my 10 years of high paying IT job. Yes, you heard it right. High paying job मैंने quit कर दिया है. And honestly, मैं बहुत डरी हुई हूँ अंदर से. आई एम फीलिंग अ बिट ऑफ धक 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 हो रहा है एंड इट्स नॉट ईजी फॉर मी. If you see this video, I'm honestly telling you that it's the hardest decision of my life I've taken. इसके बारे में मैंने बहुत बार सोचा है and after that only I got this courage to do this. So basically what happened is that in these 10 years I got to know that from the starting only I got this feeling of not belonging in this particular industry. So when I joined at the first, I used to think that this struggle or this feeling of not belonging is because I'm a fresher. But then gradually I got the experience, and then the feeling stayed with me. It didn't change. Like I used to give my 100 to 100% in my work. I used to be that एकदम dedicated वाले एम्प्लॉय ना, जो अभी काम दे दिया है तो अभी फिनिश करके ही जाएंगे, तो वैसा वाला. तो I used to be that but kind of employee. But in return I never got that recognition or appreciation or a little bit of जो सबको चाहिए होता है यार अच्छा काम करने के बाद में. But I never get that. Like I don't know why. Maybe I wasn't that show off wala person. So but the only thing I got is the self doubt, which was causing trouble in my head. Along with that, life goes on. You keep getting much and much and much responsibilities in your life, and you forgot that आपको एक्चुअल में क्या करना है. So in 2020 actually I discovered that I love content creation, but I tried many times, but in the end I used to feel that okay, I have to pay my full attention to high paying job because that's my main income source. But the pressure built built got built, मतलब इतना बढ़ता गया that I couldn't handle it anymore. सब तरफ से, like in terms of family, in terms of job, in terms of everything. बस मुझे ये लग रहा था कि I want to leave everything behind and just go somewhere else in a quiet place. तो मुझे बस ऐसे ही लग रहा था. So at that time I just decided that I have to quit this job. So अब मैंने कर दिया है and मुझे बहुत लंबा वीडियो नहीं बनाना है. So we will talk later. On this channel I am going to talk a lot, so get ready. And if you also feel like me that you are living someone else's life and what you want to do is not what you are doing right now, so come along with me. We will discover ourselves and we will work on ourselves because I want to do a lot of things that I haven't done in this whole fucking years. I don't know, I haven't learning driving a car. I want to be a Zumba instructor, and I want to learn so things. I want to manifest hard, and I want to be that positive person. I want to bring that positive era around me. So I want to do a lot of things, a lot of self improvement, because if I'm happy, my family will be happy. That's the mantra I know. So yeah, let's come along. Let's build this virtual family together, and let's be a strong woman. चलो, आज के लिए बाय बाय. My baby is calling me. Bye and subscribe to my channel. Bye.